Without letting go of the hand, you should put a knot.
Welcome to Game Time. The name of the game is Neighborhood.
இந்த 4 பீஸ் வச்சு ஒரு நார்மல் கேபிட்டல் டீ பண்ணலாம்.
Is social media good or bad? That public speaking is very important in our life.
I'm confident. I'm born to win.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games. Activities and exercises. Teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life.